Have you ever tried pineapple in a curry? Mostly made in coastal region of India. Today's recipe is inspired by a Goan classic called pineapple sasav, also known as Ansache sasav, made with fresh coconut and a blend of spices that gives it a beautiful unique flavor. First, marinate the pineapple pieces with turmeric, chili powder, jaggery and salt. Set aside for 10 minutes. Then dry roast a few spices: coriander seeds, black pepper, pinch of fenugreek, and mustard seeds. Transfer the roasted spices to a grinder and along with fresh coconut and a pinch of turmeric, grind to a smooth paste. You can also add dried red chillies if you like it spicier. Now let's start cooking. Heat some oil and add mustard seeds, a pinch of fenugreek seeds, and hing. You can also add fresh curry leaves here. Add pineapple pieces and cook for about 2 minutes. Don't overcook. Add the prepared masala paste along with a little water and salt to taste. Boil and let it simmer for around 5 to 7 minutes. Garnish with fresh coriander. Your pineapple curry is now ready to serve. Enjoy it with steamed rice or roti. You'll find the full written recipe with exact measurements in the caption. Bye.